Welcome. In front of me I have a Spigen Case, and this one is for the Pixel 8. It's the liquid air, and I will do just a bit of an unboxing along with just a test fit, just so people can see how it looks like on a device and presents and also protects the device. So let's just jump straight into it. So this one is a nice dark green color. I do personally like it. And right off the bat I can already see a first problem. So I am using a lens protection on the device, as you can see right here. It's this kind of black piece of glass right here, which I'm not going to attempt to even peel off, because this glue on this one, it was the cheapest one, and the glue is one of the strongest ones I have yet expected on this. So on the Pro, when I tried to peel it off, this would just literally shatter, and it would still hold right here where there is the biggest part of glue. So I'm gonna just put it on here. It's not gonna fit correctly, obviously, because of it. So let's just get a kind of feel. As you can see, it is bulging up a little bit in here. Obviously it's not designed to have a piece of glass under here, but other than that it fits pretty nicely. There is typical kind of Spigen cutouts right here, so they do, if I take this off, they do make cutouts around the buttons, so pressing them is easier with a bit of a thicker case. And obviously the same thing is here. And other than that, you can see it fits pretty nicely. All the cutouts are in correct places. Pressing the buttons, obviously no problem. Looks nice. I personally do like this one quite a lot, and you can also drop it on the screen and won't get scratched up, because we do have a little bit of a bezel around here that protects your display. I also have a tempered glass applied on here. I believe that was a tempered glass, and it fits with it without any problem. It's not really making it bulge up anywhere, as you can see. So there we go. That's the Spigen liquid air case. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.